Welcome back, guys. Hope you're all doing great. Well, it's been so long time because we are working on few other projects and it's getting a little bit delayed to deliver the full stack projects to you. So I just want to come up with the project idea, like what exactly that we are building for the next upcoming video. So here you can see we have a full stack, a used cars and bikes, a sales hub. Well, we are not going to do any payment gateways options, nothing. It's just a hub where anyone can post their own vehicles or cars, and they can publish it as they want, right? And anyone can open it, they can contact the owner, and they can do some mutual transactions in order to purchase their vehicles and everything. This is the idea. So we are working in this project, and so far we completed the UI designs, the landing page, and moreover the filtering options and everything, right? But we are facing some issues, like we don't like what to say, some design suggestions. So that's the thing that I'm here right now. So we are open to hear your design suggestions. So so far I'm not quite sure, because we are not sure about what exactly that we need to design in this particular area, mainly for the card. So on our research, we find commonly like they're loading the images and like displaying the text and everything, right? It's so common that we can find in everywhere, right? So what we are expecting is like we need some unique designs, ideas and everything. So that's the reason I just dropped this video for you, so you can suggest the design ideas or the features that we want to do in this particular website. So far we implemented the admin dashboard. This is the client dashboard, and only one super admin will be there. That is my particular user ID so far, right? Which we hard coded in our environment variables, right? So anyone can create the vehicles and everything, and it will wait for the approval status. For instance, if you're creating a new vehicle, if you want to create a new vehicle, and if you wish to create a new blog about that particular vehicle, it will be default in the pending. It will not approved, and it will not be displayed on the landing page. So until the super admin approves or rejected what particular status that particular vehicle will be, right? So you need to wait until this will be approved. So we are implementing the proper notification options, and whether the vehicle is approved or denied by the super admin. So the owner who created this particular post or blog, he will be notified through that particular option, right? These are the things. And as an admin, I'm the super admin, and this particular option will be displayed only for myself. Only if I click that switch, I can able to see all the vehicles created by the all other users, right? So far this is what we did, and we are planning to bring up some of the options like displaying this cards and how that landing details page should be. So we are open up for the suggestions, how the design it should be, what are the like features that it should have, and we can come up with those features and everything. And this is the schema right now which we are using over here. So we're having the user schema, and we're having the vehicle schema, category, subcategory, blog, and for the users notifications, right? So I will drop this schema in the description below, so please go through the schema, and if you feel any suggestions that need to be made in this particular schema, we are open up to it, and we can build that project. And moreover, if you wish to build this project in a live session, or if you wish to have this project on as a recorded session, please let us know in the comment section, right? So we are planning to launch this project as soon as possible, because we are working on simultaneously two other projects as well as, and it's taking some time to bring you a full stack projects instead of uploading the projects like a concept by concepts, because you can find a lot of concepts videos in YouTube, but we are trying to deliver it to you as a full stack project. And since we have a shortage in a manpower, and we are trying to really fulfill your requirements, so let us know in the comment section what exactly that you are feeling, and what is your opinion about this project, and what is the suggestions that you are willing to add up in this project, and what exactly that you want, how exactly this project needs to be uploaded, either as a recorded or as a live session. So let me know in the comment section below.